Hey guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys some different study hacks that can help you out, so let's get started. Okay, so starting off, something that's super important is to create a set workspace. So do not work on your bed. Yes, I know it seems comfortable and practical, but seriously, if you work on your bed, you're not only going to mess with your sleeping time, but you're also not going to work as well as if you were to work in a set space. So instead, work somewhere like a desk, on the couch, or on the floor. It's also super important to eat before you start working. If you're the kind of person that likes to grab a snack or a drink the whole time while you're working, you're not going to get your work done very efficiently. So instead, just eat all your food and then start working, and it will save a lot of distractions, and also it will be easier to concentrate. In terms of some great snacks that you can eat before you study, nuts, grapes and chocolate are all great, I guess, brain foods, and they will help you study, and also they're just really easy snacks to grab, and not to mention they are all super delicious. And also keep in mind that it's super important to have water before you work and to stay hydrated. If you do find it super hard to avoid eating and wanting food while studying, then you can always try chewing gum. It'll just keep your mouth entertained and you won't want food as often. Now, you probably know this one, but it's super important, and that is making sure that you prioritize your work. So start by writing down all of the different homework tasks or things that you need to do. Then next to them, write down how many days until it's due. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and just estimate how long you think it will take you to do them. So whether it's 10 minutes or 90 minutes, just write that next to it. Once you have all of the information, just go ahead and put them in order, and it makes it super easy. Keep in mind though, if you have something due in 2 days, that will take 90 minutes, and something due in 3 that will take 10 minutes, just get that one out of the way, and then you won't feel like you still have a 90-minute task. A great way to make this school year a little bit more fun is to create a reward system. So whether it's getting all A's in maths equals you a shopping spree, or maybe getting an overall score of 85% gives you a new purse that you really want, whatever. One that I've seen a lot is using gummy bears or some kind of lolly and placing those at the end of the page, chapter, or paragraph, depending on the size of the book. Obviously, this isn't very healthy, so you shouldn't do it often, but maybe you're reading a super boring book that you just need to get through. It's just a little trick that can help you read that extra chapter or two. If you don't already have Grammarly, you should totally go and download it after this video. Basically what it is just a website, and you can make an account and it will help correct your grammar. It's super easy to do. You just have to put in a few pieces of information, and basically what you can do is you can either write a document or essay from scratch, and it will even tell you the amount of words and basic things like that, or you can import another document such as a Word document, and then it will basically just go through and correct your grammar. So anything that is wrong will be underlined in red, and then if you hover your mouse over that, it will tell you the correct thing, which you can easily change it to. And if you don't understand why yours is incorrect, then you can also just read about why. Just a quick warning though, it is an American-based website, so if you are from Australia or any other country that uses British English, you will have to go ahead and add in our version of the words into the dictionary, otherwise it will try and correct words to the American version. Also, what's super awesome is if you download it to your browser, then it will correct whenever you are typing online, such as leaving a YouTube comment or an email. If it has that little green Grammarly symbol, it means it is active. A super handy way to set up your school book, which an old teacher of mine actually taught me, is to start by ruling off the top section, whatever, where you'd normally put the title, the date, anything like that, and then also rule off the right hand third. So when you're taking notes or writing down what If your teacher tells you what's on the board, what you're writing down from a computer, you write that in the main section, and then on the leftover third you just write a quick summary. So it can just be a couple words, a symbol, anything that you need to know to understand it. Nobody else has to except for you. And then when you're studying for a test, all you have to do is quickly read down the right hand third, and it makes it so much quicker and so much easier. It's perfect for topics like maths or science. If you find yourself getting super annoyed easily after studying for long periods of time, it's probably because you're not taking enough breaks. So what you can do is just set the timer on your phone or your laptop to 45 minutes, and then just go ahead and start ticking down that priority list. Once the time is up, go ahead and just reset the timer for 15 minutes and take a break. In this time, you can eat food, you can go on your phone, you can play with your pets, talk to your friends, have a sleep, whatever you like. And then once that time is up, just set your timer for 45 minutes again and just continue following that pattern until you've got everything done. A super easy way to make studying more interesting is to study with a friend. So maybe you struggle a little bit at maths and so does your friend, or either she's really good at it. You guys can just maybe catch up once or twice a week or even at school and just study together and help each other out. It will make it way more fun and interesting. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that these tips will help you work towards that A. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell down below, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye! Gotta smile while you're hurting, and whistle while you're working.